Metamask has its advantages, but it also faced criticism regarding data privacy concerns, including collecting personal information like IP addresses and transaction data. So if you prioritize data privacy, you might want to explore alternatives that offer better security and a higher level of control over your private keys. Another reason to have an alternative hot wallet is that you simply shouldn't keep all your eggs in one basket. Even if it's a hot wallet, you should always try to diversify your holdings. So today, I have come up with my top 5 MetaMask alternatives, especially catered to beginners. But remember, these are all still hot wallets after all, so if you want full protection of your crypto offline, it's best to get a Trezor or other cold wallets of your choice. So without further ado, let's get on with our list today. Number 1 on my list is Edge Wallet. Edge is a smartphone wallet that simplifies storing and trading crypto. Your private data is encrypted on your device, ensuring only you have access to your digital assets. It allows you to retain full ownership of your asset without sharing personal information. The wallet is free to download with no charges for receiving crypto. Although buying crypto through Simplex incurs a 1% Edge charge and also 5% Simplex fee, which makes up a total of 6%. There are lower fee options through Wire or other integrated exchanges. Edge integrates with Changely, making crypto trading seamless and safe. Setting up an account takes less than a minute, and you can start sending, receiving, and exchanging supported tokens right away. Edge employs a standard fee for crypto transaction, allowing users to adjust the fee for transaction validation. No extra fees are charged for moving Bitcoin or importing cryptocurrency into the wallet. Privacy is prioritized as Edge doesn't collect user data or require personal information during account creation. So if privacy is your major concern, then you might be eager to try out Edge Wallet. Number 2 we have is FX Wallet. FX Wallet is a non-custodial wallet within the FunctionX ecosystem. Not only does it allow you to store the FX tokens natively or run a node for staking, but it also provides access to numerous portfolio tracking details, including information about your current holdings, historical transactions, and total value. By integrating the wallet, you gain direct connectivity to over 300 dApps across different chains, making it easy to access services like borrowing or lending. Presently, the FX wallet is gaining traction, particularly in Eastern countries like Indonesia, where it has integrated with Indonesia's QRIS, which stands for Quick Response Code Indonesia Standard. Apparently, that is a widely used payment system across the country. This milestone is significant for the FX wallet, and with Asia showing increasing support for cryptocurrencies, it's reasonable to expect a surge in adoption for the FX wallet in the near future. Number 3 we have is Exodus. Exodus is a popular hot wallet launched in 2015 and has garnered quite a reputation. While security is a top priority, the wallet's visually attractive design enhanced the overall user experience. Users' assets and transaction data are stored locally on their devices, ensuring privacy and security. It supports an impressive range of over 260 cryptocurrencies and works seamlessly on various devices. You can use it on your desktop with Windows or Mac or on your mobile phone. One thing we love about Exodus is a commitment to regular updates. They roll out new features and improvements every 2 weeks, ensuring you get the best user experience possible. Another fantastic feature is that it allows you to stake crypto directly from your wallet interface. However, one limitation of Exodus is that it doesn't allow direct Bitcoin purchases within the wallet. Users need to use centralized or decentralized exchanges to convert fiat currencies to digital money before transferring it to the Exodus wallet. But despite this, Exodus remains a fantastic choice for managing and trading crypto, especially for those new to the crypto world, thanks to its user-friendly interface and appealing design. Number 4 we have is Trust Wallet. It's like one of the coolest non-custodial wallets out there. Not only does it have low fees and super user-friendly interface, but it also supports a bunch of networks that has some very awesome features. They have got an inbuilt token swap thing going on, so you can easily swap tokens across different blockchains right from the wallet itself. And the best part is, no fees for staking or token swapping. The wallet supports a vast array of dApps, spanning from OpenSea and Yearn Finance to Algorand and Uniswap. But just to keep in mind, gas fees are still charged for transferring crypto to other wallets, so just bear that in mind. Trust Wallet also comes in a mobile app for both iOS and Android users, and if you are more a desktop person, there's a Chrome extension too. Both connect to the same wallet, but you'll need to import your private keys. They'll give you a 12-word seed phrase to handle recovery if you ever forget your password. Last but not least, we also have Coinbase Wallet. One great thing about Coinbase Wallet is that it functions independently, so you don't need to create an account on the Coinbase crypto exchange. That is seriously a plus for me because I never really actually use Coinbase. Now I think of it. Anyways, the Coinbase wallet is user-friendly and perfect for both newcomers to crypto trading and those who are familiar with the Coinbase features. Security is a top priority with the Coinbase wallet, making it one of the most trusted mobile wallets available. Originally designed for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, it now supports several other crypto, including Bitcoin of course. You can easily manage your money, make transfers, and receive funds hassle-free. But wait, there's more. You can even participate in airdrops, ICOs, and assets dApps with your Coinbase wallet. Also, you can use your crypto for online purchases and NFT purchases. When it comes to communication and transactions with others, the wallet's user-friendly interface allows you to do so without needing their wallet addresses. This makes it super convenient during peak usage times. Although there are some transaction costs associated with the Coinbase wallet, like converting currencies or trading Bitcoin for Ethereum, it's still a highly popular choice among crypto traders. So there you have it guys, that's our top 5 hot wallet alternatives to Metamask. Of course, each wallet offers different support of different chains, so choose the right one for your own need. In the meanwhile, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more regular updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one.